Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, let's briefly go over how we can adjust the speed of a clip in Shotcut. For example, when I like to make these tutorial videos, I like to speed up the clip in which I'm using my computer in order to save time on the tutorial video so that it's shorter for you. So let's take a look at how we can shorten or lengthen our clips by changing the speed of the footage.
So let's look at one step-by-step example of active listening. Number one, face the speaker.
Okay, so that is at normal speed. And find this tab on the bottom left. It says Properties. And up here, there is an editable box that says Speed. So at 1.0 speed, this is the normal speed at which you recorded. So if you set this number to greater than 1, this will make for a faster moving clip. And if you make the number less than 1, then it will make for a slower moving clip. So I'll edit this to 1.5 rather than 1.0. So will that be faster or slower? Yep, that's right. This clip will now be faster, and I can prove it too. As you can see right here, the clip starts at 4 minutes and 14 seconds. I hit enter, and now the clip is 2 minutes and 49 seconds. The clip has been shortened and compressed and sped up. So let's see what helium-ion sounds like now.
So let's look at one step-by-step example of active listening. Number one, face the speaker.
I like that guy.
Number one.
So that's a very simple introduction of how to lengthen or shorten clips in Shotcut by making them faster and slower. Hope that you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, cheers!